Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to close a shop on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged into your account, you'll find this welcome back sentence here with your name or your username. If you are now logged in into your account, or if you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of all those icons. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do those both options with a Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the bonus steps of creating or logging in into your account, and it will be even much faster. So once you did one of those options, as we said, you will find yourself here with this home page and with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to close your shop on Etsy website. So simply, if you want to do that, just go to the shop manager by clicking at the shop icon at the top right corner. Once you are at this page, just go here to the left and select the settings option. Then you would like to look for options, which is going to be the fourth one. Just go and click on that. And as you can see, that will take you into this page. From here, if you want to close your shop, just go here to the top and click at close shop. As you can see, oh sorry, for me I have to pay like, I don't know, 2 cents dollar bill before I can close my shop. But for you, of course, you will have just the option to close your shop. Of course, you may have to answer their short survey before closing your shop to see what went wrong with you, or you just want to close your shop because it's not benefiting you. So once you finish, just save the changes and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.